I'd like to welcome you to our website, and I'd like to show you some pictures that of before and after cases I've done. And the first patient is a beautiful girl. We've restored her teeth, and she's got a beautiful smile. What we do, because we have our own dental lab, we can customize the teeth to fit the patient's face, and also we make the correct bite or occlusion. And this is an after picture. This is a close-up before picture. And here's another picture before. And you can see that her teeth were worn. And here's a finished picture that she's got a beautiful smile. It's a youthful smile that actually makes her look 5 years younger, and the teeth will last forever. All she has to do is come in regularly, and we take good care of them. Here's another patient that has done really well. Here's the before picture, here's the after picture, and this is a full mouth view of her. This patient's done extremely well, and actually by correcting her teeth, we also help prevent headaches. Where she was having headaches, we got the occlusion and the bite right, and she doesn't have headaches anymore. Here's another lady that came, and she didn't like the way her teeth looked when she went to her graduation to see her son. She had some pictures from the side, and we were able to do a great transformation. She's beautiful. She always has been beautiful, but she is more beautiful now, and the teeth are just like they should be in her mouth as opposed to what they were before. We have another lady that came from North Carolina, and she's going to a class reunion. She had worn teeth, spaces, and she brought a picture to me when she was in high school because she wanted to have her teeth look more like she did because she's going to this high school reunion. Here's an after picture of the way her teeth looked before and what they look like now, and she had tremendous compliments when she went to a high school reunion. Here's a former dental assistant of mine that had a space between her teeth, that she didn't like it, and worn teeth, and all she said was, "Wow," when we fixed her teeth and she didn't have a space anymore. And this is the last patient. Teeth had been worn, and for many years they had worn down, and we were able to restore the person's teeth, and as we did it, we straightened the teeth out to make them have a nice appearance and a nice smile. And the one thing we strive to do is not only make teeth look good, but to have the perfect occlusion and to last a lifetime. And what we found out, our patients who we restore their teeth do live longer, they're healthier, they're happier, and they have a more rounded life. As I said, my best friends are my patients, and my very best friend in the world, we fixed his teeth, and he is just extremely happy and doing a good job taking care of it. I have numerous letters that people sent, but I'd just like to read a couple of them because they touch you, and they mean a lot to me that a person takes the time to write a letter, but also tells what our practice is like. This is from a nurse, and she said, "I'm writing this letter to thank you and your staff for the wonderful care you provide to my husband and myself. Healthcare today has changed drastically. It has become a corporate business. It is rare when you find a practice that is family and patient-oriented. As a health professional, I can honestly say that the dentists and staff of your practice show compassion for the individual needs of their patients. There is a professional courtesy and respect among your colleagues, and this reflects in the atmosphere and employee satisfaction. There is always laughter, smiles, and a thank you among the staff to the patient is being cared for. That is what makes your practice stand out. Of course, there is outstanding dental care and willingness to work with your patients on the financial aspects. Thank you again for all you have done for my family." So this just, I feel most of the patients who come here will say the same thing, but when you have somebody put in their words, I couldn't have said it any better. This is another letter that one of my patients wrote that I've done fairly much work on. "My experience with Dr. Shiflet goes beyond words. Dr. Shiflet and his staff has truly changed not only my smile, but also my entire life. I lived with worn and cracked teeth and had severe headaches for years. Dr. Shiflet took the time to explain the problems with my bite and how the crowns would affect and change and benefit me. They made it into a wonderful experience, and I'm no longer afraid to visit the dentist. He answered all my questions until I was completely satisfied and went above and beyond to make me feel comfortable. I had my 6 front teeth crowned by Dr. Shiflet and never knew it would feel this good to have a normal bite. My teeth are much healthier and stronger now, and my only regret is I did not do it sooner. I can't believe I actually lived like that for so long. Not only have my headaches completely gone away, I've also been given the most beautiful and natural looking smile possible. This was an investment in myself that was well worth it, and I can't thank Dr. Shiflet and his staff enough. I have several other letters too, but I think they tell what we try to do and what we do. And I really believe we got the best patients and the best staff, and it just makes it fun to come to work and do the dentistry we can do. So thank you, and I hope you will go to our website and look at this and give us a call, and we can give you a consultation to tell you what we could do for you. Thank you. Good? Not too long?